Ever ask someone for their WhatsApp number, but instead they sent you a QR code? Don't worry, you're not getting rejected. You're just getting the modern version of sharing contacts. All right, let me show you how to save that QR code into your WhatsApp contacts super easily. First, open your WhatsApp app. Then tap the New Chat button in the bottom right corner. Now look at the top. You'll see a small QR code icon right next to New Contact. Tap on that. Here's the fun part. If the QR code is from another phone, just point your camera at it and let WhatsApp scan it automatically. But what if the QR code is saved as an image? No problem. Just tap the gallery icon in the bottom left corner, then select the QR code image you already have. Wait a second, WhatsApp will process it. Once it detects the contact, just tap Add to Contacts. Fill in the name, first and last, and hit Save. And boom, done. Now you can instantly start chatting with them like a pro. So next time someone sends you a QR code instead of a number, don't panic. You already know exactly what to do. And hey, if you found this helpful, make sure to try it yourself and share this trick with your friends. Who knows, you might be the tech-savvy one in your group now.